Hi, welcome to our video tutorial on PowerPoint Basics. This is designed for Ms. Tillery's senior project students. First of all, it's best to begin with your senior project commitment slide project to begin with a blank layout. I usually don't apply any design templates, and I like to go to the Layout tab and choose blank. At this point, I could insert my copyright-friendly photo, and again, remember that we want to make sure that we are getting the best resolution possible, whether we're getting our images from Advanced Flickr Search or from the Wikimedia Commons. Make sure that you're saving your photo in a place where you can access it. For you all, you'll go to Computers and then choose your H drive home directory. So I'm going to call this Cows. I'm going to go ahead and grab the link to that photo. And at this point, I could either insert the photo by going to Insert and Picture, and then I could begin working with that image. And I'm going to go through and find the appropriate photo that I need here. So I believe I called it Cows, and then Insert. Or, and then I can resize it if I don't want it to take up the whole canvas, and if I want to work with the image or apply any designs here. If I want it to be the background image, then I can simply go to my slide, and again I'm going to just use a blank one here, and right click and format the background and then choose picture. Once you do that, then you can simply go in, make your selection, and then there we go, Cows. Insert, and then you can begin working with your image. If you need to insert text boxes, you can simply do that by going to Insert. You can draw your text box and then begin typing your text and work with your font. If you need to insert something as a text box, but you want it to look a little bit more interesting, maybe to put your name and Ms. Tillery's name, you can go to Shapes and make a selection from here. And again, maybe you're going to choose something that looks a little bit more visually interesting. So maybe I'm going to draw this kind of rounded rectangle, and at this point you could type your name, Ms. Tillery's name. We could bump that font up just a little bit, and then we can make it flush right. Remember that we do need to provide our image attribution. You can do that simply by drawing a plain text box. We can do CC image from, paste your link, be sure to hit the space bar to make that come alive, and then you can bump it down to 8 to size 10. And I like to stretch it out and place it in the lower right hand corner so it can be as unobtrusive as possible. And then last but not least, if you want to use images from Microsoft Clip Gallery, go to Format, Background, Picture, search Clip Art. This unfortunately will scroll through both images as well as cartoons. So you may or may not have the best results here, but again, we're looking primarily just for photos. And then once you see the photo you want, then you can select it, and again, you can draw your text box, give image attribution. This would be image from Microsoft Clip Gallery. If that's difficult to read, again, you can always change the font to a lighter color to match up, and then you can begin adding your other information, your commitment statement slide, and then the box with your name and Ms. Tillery's name. We hope these tips have been helpful to you. Thank you for taking time to watch the video.